Okay, once upon a time, Lucas and Alex and Mom and Dad were camping. And they decided to go out on a hike. And they went out and they found a big tree.
It was old.
It was very old.
A
very old big tree.
See that?
Yes, there was a little crack, a small door on one side of the
I
tree.
said crack.
Yes. And there was a sign above the door. What did the sign say, Lucas?
Jibba jabba. Jibba jabba.
Yes,
Jibba
the sign said Jibba Jabba.
And that goes then.
Well, Lucas and Alex, Lucas couldn't resist. He took his head and he stuck it in the door and shined his flashlight in there to see what was in there. It opened up inside, and so he crawled all the way and didn't see anything. Shined his light around, didn't see anything. He said, "Guys, come check this out." And we all crawled in there and turned on our flashlights and shined them all around. And guess what? We heard a noise. Slam! The door went slam shut. Oh no, we were trapped inside the giant tree. Whatever will we do? Well then, another door opened on the other side, and this went down to a tunnel with some stairs, and there were torches along the side that lit the way of the path. And so we started down the stairs because we didn't know what else to do. When all of a sudden we heard a noise. Well, they had never before heard such a crazy noise. It sounded like a ghost and someone coughing. Well, they went around the corner and there was a ghost. It was a coughing ghost. Yes. Luckily, Alex was very prepared, and she pulled out some ghost cough syrup from her backpack. And she gave it to the ghost, said, "Mr. Jibba Jabba Ghost, here's some ghost cough syrup that will make you feel all better." And Jibba Jabba took it, and he got all better, and he said, "Thank you, that was the nicest thing that anyone ever did for me. Everyone else just ran away scared, but you guys actually helped me. Thank you so much." And he gave him a tour of the whole tree, all the secret paths. And he showed him the way out and said, "Thanks for coming."
And they went back, and then it went back to their tent and went to sleep. The end.
The end.